Business grants, the unicorn of funding. They're often described as free money, which is technically true. But finding and winning one can feel like trying to catch a greased pig at a county fair, which I've never done, but I'm pretty sure it's tough to do, right? You know what I'm saying? Like, see, listen, I've applied for grants, and I know a lot of business owners that apply for grants, and it seems like you never get them, but somebody always gets them, right? It's like the lottery. You always hear about a winner, but it's never you. It's crazy. But if you're ready to dive into the world of grants, buckle up. It's a wild ride, but hey, it's worth it for money you don't have to pay back. So let's explore how to find and apply for grants. But before we do that,
allow me to reintroduce myself.
My name is Devon. Put in work, Burke, a business funding specialist, online marketer, family man, and fitness enthusiast. Also, the creator of the Wealthbuilderz.com. That's the Wealthbuilderz with a Z.com. The business website that will have you make more money, save more money, build a better you, and business. So, if you're looking for business funding, go to the Wealthbuilderz.com/business funding. Okay, business-funding-blueprint and get your free blueprint right in the link in the description. Okay, so go ahead and click that link and get your free blueprint. If you want to skip the free blueprint, go ahead and just go to business funding and get your funding started. So, that being said, let's get back to the video. Question: what are business grants anyway? Right? Grants are funds offered by governments, nonprofits, or private organizations that help businesses grow. The best part, no repayment required. The catch, you'll need to navigate a maze of requirements. Write essays that will make your high school English teacher proud. I know you could do it, Johnny. You know what I'm saying? And cross your fingers you meet all the criteria. Think of grants as scholarships for your business. They're not for everyone, but if you qualify, you could be rolling in free cash, my boy. You know what I'm saying? So they're kind of worth the effort. Now, another question is where to find business grants. Finding a business grant is like, finding the perfect avocado. Possible, but it takes effort and timing. So here's some places you can start. You can go to government websites. Grants.gov, the mothership of federal grants. It's not the prettiest website. Why would it be? It's a federal site, but it's packed with opportunities. I dig that. Now, your state or local government, many offer grants for businesses that boost the local economy. So check your city's website. Yes, they still exist, and the cities do have websites. All right. Now, also, they have corporate programs. Really? Yes, really. Now, big companies like FedEx, Visa, and Amazon sometimes offer grants to small businesses. You know what I'm saying? They'll usually become very competitive, but hey, it's worth the shot. It'll take a shot. Right? It's like seeing a pretty girl in the mall. Sometimes you just got to take the shot, my boy. Sometimes you got to go out there and take a shot. Now, also you can check out nonprofits and foundations. Many nonprofits want to support entrepreneurs, especially if you're in a niche like sustainability, education, or social justice. So search platforms like candid.org for options, okay? Now, there's also industry-specific grants. Some grants are tailored to specific industries like tech, healthcare, agriculture, right? So all you got to do is Google your industry and then grants, and you can bring up a plethora of grants, right? And be prepared to be, amazed and frustrated at the amount of work you have to put in for a grant, okay? Because finding a grant can feel like dating on an app. There are all these options, but most of the time, they're not right for you. That sucks, right? Now, how do we apply successfully, or at least try, right? There's different ways that you can apply successfully for a grant now, because applying for a grant isn't just filling out a form and hoping for the best. It's like a performance, a strategy, and sometimes a game of luck, right? And you can actually get people to mentor you on how to get grants and things of that nature. But for the purpose of this video, I'm gonna give you, some ways you can lift the odds in your favor and hopefully get those grants. Number one, read the fine print and then read it again, and then again, and then again, all right, before you dive in. Make sure you actually qualify. There's no point in applying for a grant meant for apple farmers, right, if you're running a smoothie shop, unless your smoothies really cater to apples. I don't know. Anyhow. Or number two, gather your documents. You'll likely need a business plan, yes, a real one, financial statements, proof of your business status, LLC, sole proprietorship, etc., etc., etc. Anything else they ask for within reason. You know what I'm saying? They might ask for proof of residency, who knows? And number three, write a killer grant proposal. This is where the coaches come in, right? You can get a coach to help you write a grant proposal, right? Because this is where the magic happens. A grant proposal is your chance to convince the organization why your business deserves this money, okay? Now, some tips on the grant. Be clear and concise. No one wants to read a novel. Show your impact. Explain how, their money will change lives, or at least your bottom line, okay? Sprinkle in some passion. Let them feel who you are, some enthusiasm, some real life feeling, because feelings are contagious even in writing, okay? That's why there's horror books, that's why there's books that make you happy. Feelings are contagious, doesn't matter, right? So you have to kind of convey some feelings. Your grant proposal should be like a first date. Impressive, but not over the top. Nobody likes desperation, okay? Now, the next thing, you need to submit on time. Missing a deadline is a rookie mistake. Set multiple reminders, alarms, and maybe hire a friend to nag you. But either way, you have to submit on time, or you're not going to get the grant, okay? Because there's going to be so many people that apply for the grant that they're going to look at you like, get out my face. And the last but not least, follow up. Once you do submit, don't sit around refreshing your email every 10 seconds, or every 10 days, or every 5 days, or every 2 days. Wait a reasonable amount of time, then follow up with a polite email to see what's going on. Okay, so let's really decipher, let me break it down a little bit more so you can remember exactly the pros and cons of business grants. Now, the pros is free money, cons, right? Extremely competitive. Pros, it boosts credibility for your business. The cons, tons of paperwork and time consuming. The pros can fund innovative projects. The cons often comes with strings attached, right? Use it as directed, things like that. They want you to use the money a certain way. Because grants are like winning the lottery, except instead of picking numbers, you write a 20-page essay and why your business is awesome. You know what I'm saying? So you want to keep your sanity with this stuff. So start early. Give yourself plenty of time to gather documents and write your proposal. Procrastination is not your friend here. Okay, so stay organized. Use spreadsheets, sticky notes, or whatever works to keep track of deadlines or requirements. Don't get discouraged. You might not win your first or fifth or 10th or 20th grant, but persistence is key, and persistence pays off. You wouldn't persist if you didn't believe you'd be able to do it or didn't believe in your business. So persist. What you got to lose, right? Now, business grants aren't easy money, okay? Don't let anyone ever make you believe that. But they're worth the effort if you qualify. So just think of the possibilities: hiring staff, launching a new product, or finally upgrading an ancient office coffee maker, man. So grab your laptop, channel your inner grant writing guru or hire somebody to help you write grants and get to work. Because who wouldn't want free money? I want free money. Okay. All right. Okay. Now, anywho, thanks for watching. It's the man. It's the myth. The wealth builder himself. Devon, put in work. Burke, signing off for business grants. Free money? Why not? All right. But do remember, wealth builders, make more, save more, build more. I'm out. Peace.